In a galaxy far, far away, a tale of daring adventure, high-flying heroes, and one breathtaking princess is about to unfold. As the wicked galactic empire tightens its chokehold on the galaxy, the menacing Darth Vader, a dark lord with a thirst for terror, reveals a terrifying new weapon, the Death Star, a space station the size of a small moon, capable of obliterating entire planets. But fear not, for the galaxy has a new hope. Enter Princess Leia, beautiful, brave, and armed with a secret plan to dismantle the Empire. Wielding two massive blasters and a sharp wit to match, Leia isn't your typical damsel in distress. She's stolen the plans to the Empire's ultimate weapon, but when Darth Vader captures her, things take a dangerous turn. The fate of the galaxy now rests in the hands of Luke Skywalker, a simple farm boy from the sandy planet of Tatooine with dreams of adventure beyond the stars. On a mission to rescue the princess and restore peace to the galaxy, Luke teams up with the cocky, fast-talking, and charming rogue smuggler Han Solo, along with Han's loyal, furry co-pilot Chewbacca. Aboard the Millennium Falcon, the fastest piece of scrap in the galaxy, this ragtag crew ventures into the stars to take on the evil Empire, all while struggling to resist the captivating presence of a certain princess. But with a leader like Leia, who can blame them if they get a little sidetracked? With danger lurking at every corner, can this unlikely team destroy the Empire's ultimate weapon and rescue the princess before Vader arrives to crush their rebellion? Get ready for heart-pounding space battles, edge-of-your-seat lightsaber duels, and a love story that's truly out of this world. Will Leia succumb to Han's roguish charms, or is this princess just too much for even a smuggler to handle? Let's just say their chemistry could power the Death Star itself. Join Luke, Leia, and Han in the most epic space adventure of all time. Catch Star Wars: A New Hope, the film that will reshape the galaxy and might just steal your heart. Coming soon to a theater near you. And wait, there's more. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next thrilling chapter in the saga, where one fearless leader leaves a breathtaking impression.